Welcome back to Women Who Lead. I'm your host, Christy Primmer. Again, I'm joined by Natasha Eagan of TIB Electric. We have been having some great conversation. Yes. I want to jump in and ask you, we talked about branding, so that's great. I want to ask you about marketing. So in your role as administrator, what's it look like as far as outreach? How do people find you? Like, who's in charge of social media marketing? Do you have emails that go out? Is it word of mouth? Like, what does that look like for you?
Our biggest is word of mouth, for sure. We, right from the beginning, have worked really hard on making the client as happy as possible. Yeah. And we actually say, do you want to refer us? Do you want to give us a review? Would you want to work with us again? Would you want your friend or family member to work with us? And for the most part, we've just been so blessed, and people are amazing. Yeah. This community is really very supportive, which is just fantastic. I can't say enough about our amazing customers.